Hi guys, welcome to DIY Solutions UK. Today I have a Dacia key, Dacia Duster 2017 model, and has two buttons. And see, I'm gonna tell you how to replace the battery on this one. So to replace the battery, you need a one CR2032 battery and one state screwdriver, and just hold the key like this, and see, as you can see, that's a V-lip here. Insert your screwdriver in there and apply a V-bit pressure gently. See, it's gonna open apart. That's I can keep it here, and then I'm going to use this flathead screwdriver. I'm going to put this flathead screwdriver underneath the battery and just pull it. It's gonna come out. There you go. Guys, make sure this positive side, it will go down here, and just put the V-bit pressure. You're gonna hear the click sound, and it's in there. So I'm gonna put this cover as well and apply pressure on it. Now it's closed and it's working. Thanks guys. If you think my videos are helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and share. Thank you.